The piece of science news I want to share today comes from Friday's New York Times. The story is titled, "How to Watch the Green Comet in Night Skies." It reports on a comet discovered last year that should be visible to the naked eye, with Monday, January 30, being a particularly auspicious date to spot the comet if the sky is clear that night and you can get away from too much light pollution. The article was written by Shannon Hall, a regular contributor to the New York Times, who has 2 master's degrees in astronomy and science journalism. The story was deemed newsworthy because it is not often that a new object appears in the sky, and this one was last visible from Earth 50,000 years ago. That means that if anyone noticed the comet, they could have been Neanderthals. The article does a good job of reporting the usual 5 W's and quoting some relevant scientists to explain what a comet is, why this one is green, because the diatomic carbons in the comet is absorbing ultraviolet light from the sun, and how we might be able to spot it. It turns out that on January 30, it will be located in an area of the sky that many of us may already know how to spot, that is, in between the cup of the Big Dipper and the North Star. I chose the story because I like astronomy, and I will be making an effort to see this phenomenon, since rather than being a once-in-a-lifetime event, it is more like once in 2,000 lifetimes. I think Ms. Hall did an excellent job reporting this story. As she says in her philosophy statement, science journalism is an art form where research becomes a story, and while it is important to engage the reader, it is crucial to do so accurately.